What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Robinhood markets with the ticker symbol HOOD. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So let's take a look at what Hood is doing. Well, it looks like there was a technical support right around the $35 level. At one point, it was trading right around the $66 level, but we did see that sell off in the market, and Hood was overextended. So that's what led to the sell off. That overextension in price led to that large drop down lower. And now basically price came back to the strong support over here, support, fail breakout lower, and where we are pushing up higher. So this could be a short trap for higher prices. Let me take a look at a couple of other things first. Let's take a look at a measure move target. This is all one large drop right here. Price was trying to replicate that in the future. Target was reached, and we did see a bounce. So one leg down, pullback first attempt, second attempt lower, and that target was reached. But if we do continue down lower, maybe price is going for a bigger one. So let's clone this arrow. And price could be attempting to reach all the way down to the $18 level. But as right now, bears are struggling to do that. You can see that the bulls have the upper hand by reversing price off of that technical support and that measure move target, the smaller one. So we just need to see, we already are seeing a break of this downward sloping trend line as well, which is a good sign. But maybe we are in this shallower trend line, something like that. Maybe it's a spike in channel, because that does fit pretty well. You take these two swings, you drag it across, and it does fit really nice on the bottom. So we're right at the technical level of resistance at the mid 40s. So let's see what happens. If we do see another drop down lower, well, we can still find support, maybe see a inverse head and shoulders off the $35 level. We have a shoulder, head, a shoulder to rocket price up. So overall, I would say the bulls still have the upper hand. Even though we are nearing a technical resistance, they still have the upper hand because even if price does drop down lower, the bears would have to break through a potential support for them to continue lower. But as right now, it looks like bulls have the upper hand. We have a short-term trend line in play towards the upside. It looks like bears are struggling to reach a measurement target, and the first one was already met. So overall, it looks still pretty good to the upside. I just want to see a strong break above $50. If we do see that, I would be expecting an all-time high to be reached after that. So overall, that's all I see for Hood on the daily and weekly charts. It looks like the trend is still intact, and price is ready to move up higher. Let me take a look at this trend line right here. So we did recover this trend line as well. So price, you connect this swing to this swing. This was a third bounce. Price broke through it, but immediately reversed higher. So that means that the trend line was still recovered, which is a good sign. Looking at the weekly chart now, price at once upon a time was trading right around the $85 level, back near its IPO price. And let's go and mark that, because maybe price will come back up there in the future. This is all technically one massive leg up. You mark it from the lows all the way up to this prior high at 66, and then you drag it down to where we just potentially have bottom, and that takes you right near the prior all-time high. So is that a coincidence at all that that matches up? No, it's not at all. So we saw one massive leg up. So this is one massive leg up. You drag it down to the bottom of the correction. Let me show you guys with just the arrows. So we have one leg up right here, one massive leg up, one large impulse, and then you drag it to the bottom of the correction. Second large impulse can start here, targeting the $89 level, which takes it back up to this prior all-time high. So again, looks like the bulls still have the upper hand. Expecting higher prices. Again, if price drops below the, I think it was like that mid 30s, then that's not a good sign. But as right now, things are looking up for Hood. It looks like price still wants to move up higher, in my opinion. So we have this trend line right here. Recover the trend line, still closing above it. It looks like a reversal higher. So overall, so far, so good for Hood. That's all I have for today on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.